what's up? This is Prachi, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a one brand makeup tutorial. The one brand that I have picked up for today's video is Blue Heaven. Now, this is a brand that I absolutely love. Like I have such a long history with this brand. The first time I discovered Blue Heaven products was when I was in college. Okay, so I was looking for affordable makeup products like most college girls were, and I saw a lot of my friends using Blue Heaven back in the days, and I was like, okay, this seems affordable, and the quality has always been premium, right? When it comes to Blue Heaven, the quality is always very good, even though it's extremely affordable. So why not? And since then, I've always loved the brand. So I recently found out that Blue Heaven has actually been around for 40 years. 40 years, guys. That speaks a lot because it's not a newbie brand still experimenting with things. It's a brand that has been around for a long time and they know what they are doing. So recently they launched a whole range of makeup products, and I thought, okay, you know what, I want to get my hands on these and introduce you guys to them. So we'll be talking about these products one by one. The philosophy, the idea is very interesting. It's all in brand new avatar, by the way. Okay, all of these I'll take you to them one by one. And the idea is makeup that does more. So it's also about taking care of your skin. Like a lot of times when we use, say, lipsticks, right? They tend to dry out the lips. A lot of times when we are using foundation, it tends to crack and just feel really uneasy on the skin after a while. Over here, the ingredients actually seem very, very promising. So it's not just makeup, not just having fun with the colors, but also about taking care of your skin in the process. And I thought that was so amazing. Also, they offer fuss-free makeup, so you don't have to use extra brushes and things like that when you're applying them. And they also have dual usage. For example, I'll just take you through this one, just to give you an example. This is a contouring and highlighting duo stick. So in one stick you have both contouring and highlighting, and so on and so forth. We have products like that today. And I think especially for beginners, or if you're looking for something which is easy, handy, fun, colorful, there's just so much to explore with this range. Currently they're all available exclusively on Purplle.com, yes, and I will share the links in the description box below. So currently running an offer where you get flat 25% off on these purchases, or if you buy 3 you get flat 30% off. So all details in the description box below. And now let's move to the products. So let's do a quick unboxing and show you the packaging up close. I think the packaging is so perfect because when you receive your products, it's in good condition, and that means so much, right? It just adds to the experience. And now moving to the products. So first I have with me the Blue Heaven Fresh and Flawless Hydrating Skin Tint. It's available in 7 shades. My shade is Honey Tan. So it contains hyaluronic acid for skin hydration. It also blocks UV rays for working as a physical sunscreen. And because of the glycol lift, it has anti-pollution benefits. All of these amazing benefits in your skin tint. And do you see the consistency, the coverage? It is so amazing, guys. Moving to the Blue Heaven Erase and Enhance Full Coverage Concealer Pen, which once again comes in 7 shades. My shade is Honey. It contains green tea to improve signs of discoloration and stress, due to fatigue. It also contains goji berry to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So useful when you're using a concealer pen around your under eye area. And overall it provides luminosity, radiance with a great coverage and amazing texture. Then we have the Blue Heaven Prep and Fix Primer and Setting Mist. So it works as a primer as well as a setting spray. It contains vitamin B to boost natural glow, aloe vera and vitamin E to provide instant hydration. The product is paraben free, so no preservatives that damage the skin. And here's the Blue Heaven Stop and Shape Contouring and Highlighting Duo Stick. It contains avocado oil that provides antioxidant properties, and this formula also has mango butter and apricot oil to hydrate and help the formula blend seamlessly into the skin. It comes in 2 shades. My shade is Fairy Light. The formula is non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't clog pores, and non-acnegenic, which means it's less likely to cause acne breakouts as well. Then we have the Blue Heaven Kiss and Blush Lip and Cheek Tint Primer Stick. So this again is available in 7 shades. The one I'm showing you here is Roasted Berry, and once again it contains avocado oil for antioxidant protection and mango butter apricot oil to help hydrate the skin and also make the formula blend seamlessly into the skin. Do you see the texture and the tint and the color consistency? It's so beautiful, guys. Once again, the formula is non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores, and also non-acnegenic, so it's less likely to cause acne breakouts. Also, after my makeup routine, I will be showing you how to use the Blue Heaven Over and Out Makeup Remover Stick. It contains vitamin B to boost natural glow and vitamin E and aloe vera. Like I said, it keeps the skin hydrated. And after the removal of the makeup also, your skin actually feels supple and so amazing. For the eyes, I'll be using the Sculpt and Set Brow Gel. Now this again is available in 2 shades. So I'm using the one in grey. I love how the applicator has silicone fibers for visibly thicker brows, and it contains vitamin B5 to help strengthen the brow hair. It also contains camoba wax and beeswax to help the product set and work much better, and overall the formula is water resistant and long lasting. Now let me show you the Blue Heaven Silk and Stain Lip Tint, available in 5 shades. My shade is Raspberry Love. I love this color, guys. It's also a transfer proof non-sticky formula with the jojoba oil and vitamin E for added nourishment and care. And if you have exceptionally dry lips like mine, you're going to love the Blue Heaven Jelly and Butter Hydrating Lip Balm. It contains jojoba oil once again, shea butter and vitamin E to lock in the moisture, nourish the lips, making it look soft and so smooth. It comes in 5 shades, and the one that I have with me here is Pink Rose. I love the tint, I love the color. And last but not the least, I have with me the Blue Heaven Lush and Juicy Lip Plumping Wand. This is available in 7 shades, and the one that I have here with me is Coral Touch. Now I love its non-sticky formula. It also gives you visibly plumped up lips and also has a nice glossy texture, like you can probably see here. It contains hyaluronic acid to keep your lips hydrated, and avocado oil and vitamin E to keep it moisturized and nourished for a long time. And now to get started with the makeup, I'm going to first use the Blue Heaven Prep and Fix Primer and Setting Mist, because like I said, it can be also used as a primer, which makes it so amazing with all the dual uses. And while the primer sets in, I'm going to take my Blue Heaven Fresh and Flawless Hydrating Skin Tint. Now I'm using a beauty blender. You can just use your fingertips, whichever one you prefer. I love how it gives me a nice coverage, a great finish without actually being too shiny, too cakey, nothing of that sort on the skin. It just looks so natural, guys, even with the exceptionally good coverage. Then I have with me the Blue Heaven Erase and Enhance Full Coverage Concealer Pen. So I'm just going to use this under my eye area just a little bit, and around my mouth again just a little bit, and I'm going to blend this with my beauty blender. You can use your fingertips if that's what you want. Do you see the coverage and the impact it has on my skin immediately? The skin feels fresh, great, and it also gives you such amazing results. Now moving to the Blue Heaven Sculpt and Set Brow Gel. As you can see, I don't need to use any extra brushes, anything. It's so easy and handy to use. Then I have with me the Blue Heaven Jelly and Butter Hydrating Lip Balm, which I'm just going to apply a little bit. I love the little tint, and the fact that it has SPF 15 is so comforting because I do have slightly darker lips. Then I have with me the Blue Heaven Stove and Shape Contouring and Highlighting Duo Stick. So I'm going to do a quick contour around my nose and on my cheekbones. Everybody contours differently, guys, so you'll need to see what fits for you. And also a little bit of highlighting on my cheekbones, and here it is. I'm all set and done. And then I have with me the Blue Heaven Kiss and Blush Lip and Cheek Tint. Now it's a very lightweight tint, so you just have to use a little bit for the natural flush in your cheeks. You can also use it on your lips if you want to. I personally also like to use it sometimes on my upper eyelids to once again just add that flush of color. For the next step, I'm going to be using the Blue Heaven Silk and Stain Lip Tint. So see how I'm applying it. It's very easy to use even for beginners, and the color that it gives you is just so beautiful, right? And I'm going to top this up with the Blue Heaven Lush and Juicy Lip Plumping Wand. So I'm just going to use a little bit for a more plumped up look. It also adds a nice gloss if you want to use it like that. It's super handy to just have around. Keep finally setting my makeup with the Blue Heaven Prep and Fix Primer and Setting Mist. And let me pause here and show you my makeup look. Here's how it looks. Now before ending the video, I do want to show you how I like to use my Blue Heaven Over and Out Makeup Remover Stick. So I'm just gonna apply this directly all over my face. I again love how handy and easy it is to use with the stick. And yes, just swipe and remove all of your makeup. It's so fast and so easy, so clean, right? And that's all, guys. So like I said, all of these are available exclusively on Purplle.com. I will share the links in the description box below. You can also avail this discount and get flat 25% off on your purchases or 30% off when you buy 3 products. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye-bye.